So I have just finished assigning my activity that I created. And so now I'm going to go back to my class by clicking on Back to Class in the upper right-hand corner. And now I'm going to complete the activity as my sample student. So I'm going to click Add Response, select my sample student because I want to live the life of my student. It'll help me better support as well. And I'm going to view the instructions. So use the drag, draw my number sentence, use the microphone and my arrow to complain, tap twice. Awesome. Well, I am not going to do the microphone only because when I'm recording this video and doing the microphone, my voice cuts in and out repeatedly, and it's only because it can't handle both recordings at once. So I will act like I'm recording. So there were 18 soccer balls on the field. The team kicked 5 of them off. How many were still on the field? So I'm taking off 5. So I'm going to drag them. And what's nice, it immediately has me on the feature. I don't even have to click on it, which is nice. Start there. So I drag off 5 because they were kicked off subtraction. So I'm going to click on the pen or marker. I'm going to choose a color that pops on the background because it's got a lot going. So I started with 18. And this might be where I start recording so that my teacher's hearing my explanation. So 18 soccer balls, 5 off. So that left 13. That's weird. I also could use the text tool if I did not want to write. Gosh, I really should change that B because that's hideous. I don't know what that like. Again. There we go. So I'm done with this one. Remember, I acted like I used the microphone. And I'm going to go to page 2. And so, same thing, except I have 14 soccer balls. Team kicked off 6. How many are on the field? So this time I need to click on move. So 6 were kicked off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so this might be where I start recording, but I won't actually hear me. So 14 is my total. I'm kicking the balls off the field, so that's subtraction. And that would equal 8 balls. And then when I'm done clicking on the, recording myself, I really end up clicking the check mark twice. Now, if you have internet issues, I strongly suggest using the draft feature. So maybe after every few pages, click draft and it saves your work. So, because it's not autosave, it's not like Google. And I'm going to click the check box. It's going to take a moment to load.